Good evening. I'm Dr. Gary Cannon, and I'm here to welcome you to Sacred Heart Cathedral's Back to School night. Thank you for being here tonight. It's a great opportunity for you to meet these wonderful people, our faculty and staff. You'll be following your student's schedule, your child's schedule, our students, to see what classes they're taking and to meet these outstanding educators. Our mission is always to provide the finest education in an inclusive Catholic community of faith. We prepare your children, our students, to become service-oriented leaders with a commitment to living the gospel. Everything that we do flows from that and returns to that. Our theme this year is Reimagine. As we gathered together last year and have been through the last few years, it's an opportunity for us to imagine again or new and to recreate, given our current context, what's most important for the young people entrusted to our care. How do we make real that LaSalle Vincentian Catholic mission I shared with you earlier? So that's a theme or a focus that we'll be talking about throughout the year. We're also celebrating 170 years. We're the oldest Catholic school in San Francisco because we focus on the future, not on the past. At the same time, we love to celebrate the past. So come celebrate our 170th year at Oracle Park on Friday, September 10th. Tickets are available until Friday, September 2nd. Buy yours if you haven't already. In terms of COVID mitigation, it's very similar to what it has been. We follow now California Department of Public Health. The number one thing they say is to stay up to date with vaccines and boosters, so we encourage everyone to do that. If a student feels sick, they're to stay home. We ask you to help us in that regard. If you have symptoms, then once you stay home to test for COVID and let us know the results of that before returning to campus. Masking is recommended, not required. Tonight, we really recommend it. There'll be a bunch of people on campus. You'll be going from classroom to classroom. If you don't have a mask, we do have them available for you. And then ventilation throughout the school day. We have air purifiers in any room that does not have windows, and all classrooms and offices that do have windows, we keep the windows open for good ventilation. The walkathon is coming up, our 33rd annual walkathon. So that'll be Friday, September 16th. Please get your students to sign up their personal fundraising page if they haven't already. It's an important skill to teach a little bit about philanthropy. And so that's the intent, part of the intent of celebrating our community, but also talking about the opportunity of giving to worthy causes and paying it forward. This is for future students, families, and generations. So we ask you to fully engage, come on out, and encourage your student to do their part. Reminders for the rest of tonight, please listen to the bells. The classes are 10 minutes each. Stop by the main office if you need a schedule or additional masks. Please email any teacher or counselor with any questions that you have. Tonight really is an introduction. It's not a parent-teacher conference, but we welcome those. So please do reach out to us if you want to meet with any of your children's teachers. If you have any questions or concerns, we want to thank you for being here tonight. It really does say a lot to your child, whether they tell you or not. Your presence here tonight is one way in which they see how much you love and care for them because you're interested in the experience that they're having. So I really want to thank you for being here tonight, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. And together, I hope we reimagine 2022, 2023, and it fulfills all of our hopes and dreams and expectations. Have a great night, everyone.